Antoine Lavoisier was born on August 26, 1743 in France. His father was a lawyer and his mother died when he was just 5 years old. As a child, he wrote an essay on a more efficient way to light the streets of Paris. He studied college at the Descartes Nations from 1754 to 1761. During, he studied chemistry, botany, astronomy, and mathematics. When he was 28 years old, he married Marie-Anne Carey-Pauls, who was only 13 years old. He was a French chemist born on January 20, 1758. In 1760, he was elected into the Royal Academy of Science. In 1775, he was appointed to the Royal Gunpowder Commission. Because he was part of the Farme Generale, people who collected taxes, he was sentenced to the guillotine on May 8, 1794. He was 51 years old.
Inventions made by Antoine Lavoisier. He was known as the father of modern chemistry. He was given this title because of his many contributions to science. He contributed to the discovery of the law of conservation mass. He discovered that although matter may change its form or shape, its mass always remains the same. He also contributed to the discovery of the periodic table. He put together the first extensive list of elements. He was also the first to establish that sulfur was an element.
Who were the influences of Lavoisier and how did they make him the scientist we know today? His father's name was John Antoine, and he was a respected avocat of Parliament. Basically, a rich upper-class lawyer. He was able to get Antoine into Collège Mazarin, a popular college of the time, and also encouraged his son's taste for natural science. Lavoisier studied mathematics and astronomy with Nicolas Louis de Lacaille, chemistry with his colleague Rouelle, and botany with Bernard de Jesuit.
Antoine Lavoisier's connection to today. Antoine Lavoisier is known today as the father of modern chemistry. Lavoisier was one of the first chemists to apply his ideas and push for better public health in cities and towns. The book he published, Traite élémentaire de chimie, established the foundations of modern chemistry, such as the relationship of heat and chemical reactions and experimentation. Lavoisier's work can be seen today through a better understanding of respiration, combustion, the periodic table of elements, oxygen and its role in the environment, gases, states of matter, as well as the law of the conservation of mass.
In his laboratory, Lavoisier would experiment and take precise measurements on his findings. Antoine Lavoisier was one of the first and few chemists to realize the importance of accurate measurements. His lab instruments are shown here.
A spectator to Lavoisier's beheading is quoted saying, "It took them only an instant to cut off that head, and 100 years may not produce another like it." And some may argue, it still hasn't.